place on Earth lies hidden in a remote corner of the Pacific Ocean, just east of the Philippines. It is known as the Mariana Trench. But this place is more than just a trench. It is a vast, bottomless abyss of darkness and mystery. A place where descending means disappearing into the unknown. At nearly 11,000 meters deep, not a single ray of sunlight can reach it. If you were to go down there, it would feel as if countless invisible forces were crushing your body from all directions. Very few humans have ever dared to enter this abyss. But recently, one nation has thrown all caution aside and plunged into its depths. Yes, China. They are no longer just researching. They are sending robots into the deep sea, planning permanent bases, and aggressively moving to claim valuable minerals and resources hidden beneath the ocean floor. Meanwhile, many Western nations, including the United States, are losing interest in deep-sea exploration. So the question is, what lies in the depths of the Mariana Trench that has made China so determined? Let's find out. While the ocean surface sparkles with light, everything begins to change as you descend. Up to about 200 meters, the water is full of light and life. But beyond that, darkness takes over. The deeper you go, the dimmer the light becomes, and the pressure increases dramatically. It feels as if an invisible force is slowly squeezing you from all sides. A world where creatures produce their own light to hunt and survive. As you go even deeper, you encounter bizarre life forms, long-armed squids, swollen fish, creatures that thrive under extreme pressure and total darkness. At around 4,000 meters, the abyssal zone begins. Here the seafloor is covered in fine sediment, creating what looks like a vast underwater desert. But beneath this surface lies millions of years of history. Dead plankton, fish, and tiny particles slowly fall from above, forming what scientists call marine snow. This carbon-rich layer has created a hidden reservoir deep beneath the ocean. Food is extremely scarce here, so very few creatures can survive. But occasionally, something extraordinary happens. When a whale dies and sinks to the ocean floor, it creates an entire ecosystem around it. This phenomenon is known as a whale fall. Beyond 6,000 meters begins the realm of the trenches. Here, the pressure is more than 600 times greater than at sea level. The Challenger Deep, the deepest point of the Mariana Trench, reaches nearly 11,000 meters. Strange single-celled organisms and ghostly white shrimp-like creatures have been found here. Only a handful of humans have ever reached this depth. In 1960, Jacques Picard and Don Walsh made the first descent. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron followed, but China did not stop there. They have developed small autonomous robots that can scan the ocean floor. In 2024, they sent a robot no bigger than a shoebox, which explored the depths and safely returned. This proves that massive, expensive submersibles are no longer necessary. Now, fleets of small, intelligent robots can explore the ocean more efficiently and silently, because hidden here are incredibly valuable resources. Methane hydrates, often called flammable ice, a potential energy source for the future, but it comes with serious risks. Disturbing these deposits could destabilize the seafloor or release massive amounts of methane gas into the atmosphere. There are also polymetallic nodules, rock-like formations rich in metals used for batteries, electric vehicles, and future technologies. This is why the deep ocean is becoming a new battlefield. China is moving rapidly, building infrastructure, deploying advanced technology, and positioning itself to control these resources. Meanwhile, other nations are falling behind. But perhaps the most critical factor lies beneath it all. Thousands of kilometers of submarine cables run across the ocean floor. These cables power the global internet, banking systems, and even military communications. They may seem strong, but they are incredibly fragile. And China has developed robots capable of locating and potentially cutting these cables in deep waters. So now the deep ocean is no longer just a place of mystery. It is a battleground for global power, and the nation that controls these depths may control the future. The darkness humanity once feared is now becoming the key to its future.